Abby, what did she make now?
Made.
Some.
Huh?
Yeah.
Abby made some juice today. Why she did? She
Wouldn't
what did
say
wouldn't
sir,
say sir and pour juice.
a big word, galore.
Galore. Abby made some juice today.
Ah, how about you, Daisy? Did you make toast and juice today? Hmm? Did you make some toast and juice today, Daisy?
We eat the hamburger.
What? You ate a hamburger today? My goodness. Abby.
Toast the
Tip. Toad. 2 words.
Abby tiptoed to a bed.
Can
you guess?
you try? Guess.
What?
Guess. Huh? Guess.
Let's
Oh, good.
guess
That's one.
what Abby say on this very special day. Have a happy Mother's Day.
Hey. So what day is it for? What day is it for them, Daisy? Is it Christmas? Birthday? What day is it?
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. So